Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are from Group 8 and today we are going to present our mini project. These are my group members and my name is Farah Aina with the metric number 79389. Sustainable fishing refers to the practice of catching fish, seafood and other aquatic species in a way that ensures the long-term health and productivity of the aquatic ecosystem. Sustainable fishing is important to maintain healthy and diverse marine ecosystem, ensure long-term availability of aquatic species, and reduce exposure to harmful contaminants and pathogens. The first species I'm going to talk about today is the giant tiger prawn, or locally known as udang harimau. The scientific name for this prawn is Penaeus monodon. It is very safe to eat and rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, phosphorus, and minerals. The price ranges from 40 ringgit to 150 ringgit per kilogram depending on the sizes and the way the prawns were caught. The catching technique of prawns can be divided into two according to its purpose. For subsistence fishing, push nets, cast nets, and beta traps are usually used. Meanwhile, to catch a larger amount of prawns, dredging, trawling, and prawn farming or aquaculture are more suitable. So, is it a sustainable source of food? It actually depends on the catching methods and tools used to catch prawns. Firstly, dredging and trawling leads to a large number of bycatch, including endangered species and juvenile fish. Prawn farming also contributes to the release of greenhouse gases, as the whole process to maintain the farm requires a high energy input. The release of the aquaculture waste into the nearby water bodies can also be explained in this illustration.
Hi, my name is DELI, anak BANYANG with metric number 79170. I will talk about catfish. Catfish or siluriforms is the family to which all catfish belong. They are a diverse group of fish named for their prominent barbels, which are like the catfish skirt. Known as ikan keli in Malaysia, and live in various types of water bodies such as river, lakes, and reservoir. Three types of catfish can be found in Malaysia, which are Clarius batrachus, Clarius macrocephalus, and Clarius garipenus or African catfish. Clarius garipenus or African catfish has become popular among farmers because it is known for their high survival rate and disease resistant and fast growth. There are various types of catching methods used to catch fish. It depends on the environment to determine the method used to catch a catfish. Some common methods anglers use to catch catfish, such as bottom fishing and using odoriferous baits. Bottom fishing is the most popular technique for catching catfish in various water bodies. This method uses a rig to keep the bait near the bottom of the water, where the catfish often feed. The selling price for the 1 kilogram catfish in Malaysian market is 8 ringgit and 90 cents. The sustainability of catfish depends on aquaculture practice by the farmer. However, it can have an impact on the native fish species and the environment. There are various types of ways to prepare catfish. The most common method used to prepare a catfish is by frying it and combining it with sambal made of green chili or red chili. Another method used to prepare a catfish is by grilling it with a spice mixture or without a spice mixture. This dish known as ikan keli bakar, and it is the simplest way to prepare a catfish.
Hello, my name is MIZAN bin ABDUL MALIK and my matrix number is 82334. In these few slides, I will talking about crabs. What is the name for the crab? Where does this crab live? What is the catching technique? And what is the price for the crab? Is it sustainable and safe to eat? And what is the best way to catch or alternative way to catch the crab without harming the environment or the crabs? Here we have a giant mud crab, which is known as Scylla serrata for its scientific name, and its local name is ketam nipah. These crabs can be found in mangrove forests surrounded by oceanic waters. It's mainly found in Matang Mangrove Forest Reserve in Perak and Kota Marudu Mangrove Forest in Sabah. There's a few catching technique for this crab. One of the way to catch the crab is using crab pot. Another way is using hand, net, and hooking technique. Crab can be found in natural habitat, which is mangrove swamp. It is best to set trap at early at the morning or evening descent, as the best time to capture crab is during the rising tide, early mornings, and evenings. The price for crab is roughly around 100 ringgit per kilogram. Eating crab is considered to be safe. It is better to eat in considerate amount as its nutrient contains zinc and copper. Eating too much crab can cause gout. A common technique to prepare crab is boiling, which helps to preserve its sweetness in its meat. The way to catch crab is catch crab using hand, crab pot, and net, which would be safer than hooking the crab. Hooking can cause crab stress and may injure the crab. Injured crab may have infection, which will make it is not safe to eat.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian Hanwicket with the matrix number at 2474, and I'm currently a year 2 software engineering student from FCSIT. Now let me continue on the next aquatic species of our group, which is razor clam. Razor clam, which can also be called as razor shell, have a scientific name which is Ensis arquatus, and it have a local name which is called ambal. Razor clam is a bivalve from the family Bivalvia. They are recognizable because they have two symmetrical hard shells connected by a hinge of cartilage, and they can be found in the intertidal zone of the sea, but some can also be found in freshwater. In Sarawak, most of us know it as a delicious type of seafood. The fisher folk of our local coastal villages have a long traditions of collecting ambal and sell it to the seafood restaurants. The main area where ambal is collected is the tidal flats from Lunduk, Salak, Buntal, and Asarjaya. Local people employ a unique technique to spot and catch this creature by using a wooden stick, which is called penugal, to tap the surface of mud flats to identify the ambal's burrows, and following by using a thin and elongated stake, which is leady, about 30 cm, and insert into the burrow. The stick is coated with a paste mixture serving as irritants that encourage the ambal to emerge from their burrow. One of the common cooking method of ambal is cooking it with curry spices. This cooking method is quite popular in all the local restaurants all over Sarawak. And I think that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello, my name is RAFIF at 6305. I am from FCSIT and currently taking on software engineering. From now on, I will continue to talk about squid. First of all, the scientific name for squid is Teotada. Squid are classified as cephalopods similar to cuttlefish and octopus. It has a long tubular body with small head, 8 arms, 2 long tentacles, and 4 rows of teeth. They also have feathery shaped shell to support the body and a sophisticated eyes. Next, the most popular method for catching squid is drifting a lead weight of between 50 and 150 grams, a light fishing rod, and a reel. Another well-liked technique is jigging with specialized squid jig, which frequently has vivid colors, pattern that glows in the dark, and lifelike motion designed to draw squid. As for the price, the cost of squid in Malaysia local market varies according on the time of year and the region. On the other hand, local sources state that squid in Miri, Sarawak, Malaysia costs between 20 and 30 Malaysian ringgit per kilogram. Fish derived from squid is sustainable and safe. There exist many squid population and 4 certified squid fisheries. Omega-3 fatty acids, which support the heart, brain, and eyes, are abundant in squid, making it another healthy seafood choice that is strong in protein with low saturated fat content. And then, squid is a popular seafood in Malaysia and prepared in various ways. One of the most popular ways to prepare squid is by making 3 cups squid. This dish is made with squid, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice wine, and chili. Other than that is by making salt and pepper squid. Last but not least, there are several alternative fisheries options that are considered safer and more sustainable for squid. One of which is by targeting different species such as cuttlefish and octopus. These cephalopods are closely related to squids and share similar culinary qualities. They can be substituted for squid in many dishes. That's all from us. Thank you.